how to view your site history on Wix. So to do it, you want to go to your Wix dashboard right here, and then you want to go to your left of your screen, and then choose settings right here at the bottom left of your screen. And then you want to scroll down until you see site, domain, and SEO. And then you want to choose on website settings. And then you want to scroll to the bottom until you see site history right here, and then choose on restore versions. And then right here on all revision, you can sort which of the version that you would like to restore, the published one, the saved one, or the shared one. And then right here, if you scroll down, there you will have a bunch of the website that has been saved by Wix, and you can also restore it. For example, I want to restore my website to the first one when I made it. You can just click on right here on this arrow, and as you can see, it will have the preview of the website before you edit it. And then to restore it, you can just click right here on restore, and your website will be restored to the older version. And you can also have a pin in any of your site version. For example, that version have a decent design that you want to save, you can just click on this tab right here, or you can also rename it to make it easier to find. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.